Just doing some buffing, trying to restore the paint on the case. We'll try different options here. I'll show you what has been working. Brings the color right back. Well, they're just about done. This side is all done. The first coat. And got a little bit to do here on the sides and the back. And this side, we got the fender done, and we just have the side to do. But we ran out of polish. That was pretty much a day's job trying to get that cleaned up. I'm not quite done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks.